Bore da blant, Shwmae, it's Mrs Wood here, and today we are celebrating a very special day, Shwmae Day. And I'm now going to hand you over to my lovely crew Cymraeg, who are going to tell you all about Shwmae Day and what we can do to celebrate. Over to you, crew Cymraeg.
This week's phrase of the week is Shwmae. It means hello there.
Shwmae! 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 Shwmae Day is on the 15th of October, but today we are celebrating it on the 18th of October.
The whole point of Shwmae Day is to encourage people to speak Welsh.
Today you can celebrate by going on a Shwmae hunt.
You can count how many Shwmaes you see around the school. There's a Shwmae. There's another word.
I found a Shwmae. I found another Shwmae.
Count how many Shwmaes you can find around the school.
River gyda fi. Un.
Die. You could colour or decorate the word Shwmae.
Or you could play some Welsh games like Game a Crocodile and Slap Firth.
You could also ask your friends some questions in Welsh.
Dwi'n hapus iawn acos mae Shwmae Day.
Dwi'n wedi blino acos dim cysgu.
Beth wyt ti'n hoffi? Dwi'n hoffi Shwmae Day.
Mae tawys heddiw.
Mae hi'n halag ac mae hi'n wra. Pa wedi dy glygau di?
Mae clygaid brown da fi.
Mae clygaid brown da fi hefyd.
Ble mae ti'n byw? Dwi'n byw yn Cymru. Ble mae ti'n byw?
Dwi'n byw yn Casnewydd.
Diolch, crew Cymraeg. Lots and lots of lovely ideas of how we can celebrate Shwmae Day today. Now you might notice Shwmae spelt differently, but they both mean the same thing. The one on the top there with the H with the H is often used in South Wales, and the one at the bottom with the is often used in North Wales, but they both mean exactly the same thing. Hi there. Now, one of the ideas that Crew Cymraeg suggested was to go on a Shwmae hunt, and at both sites today there are lots and lots of copies of the word Shwmae, exactly like the ones you can see on the screen, and they've been placed all around the school. They may be outside your classrooms, they may be in outdoor areas, they may be in the halls. And one of your jobs today is to go on a Shwmae hunt and to rifwch, to count, sawl how many Shwmaes you can spot around the school. Now, all of our lovely staff here at St Andrews also wanted to get involved in Shwmae Day, and they have made a little video of themselves saying Shwmae. So I would like you to rifwch, to count really carefully, and sawl see how many people, how many teachers and teaching assistants and members of staff from St Andrews you can spot saying Shwmae in this video. I'm sure there'll be lots and lots of faces you recognise. So get ready.
Shwmae! 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 Shwmae!
Shwmae. Shwmae.
Shwmae!
Shwmae. Shwmae.
Shwmae! Shwmae!
Shwmae. 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 Shwmae.
Shwmae!
Shwmae. Shwmae.
Shwmae!
Shwmae. Shwmae. Shwmae.
Shwmae! Shwmae. Shwmae.
Shwmae.
Shwmae.
Shwmae.
Shwmae.
Shwmae.
So, how many did you spot? How many did you rhifwch? I counted 40 different people saying Shwmae. Now, if some of you said 30 now, which is 39, I will also accept that answer because Miss Atherton was very sneaky and she actually appeared in the video twice because she loves saying Shwmae and speaking Welsh. So if you said 30 now or 40, I will accept both answers because it all depends how many times you counted Miss Atherton. Right, I hope you have a lovely day today. I am really looking forward to looking on Twitter later and seeing all the lovely things that every classroom has done for Shwmae Day. So please remember, if you see somebody today, don't forget to say Shwmae. Have a lovely day. Diolch chi.